In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your messages in Instagram. And there are two things that we want to do. First is delete a whole conversation, and the other one is to delete a particular message that is sent. So first off, open Instagram and then go to your inbox by swiping right to left or tapping the inbox button to your top right. Then to delete one whole conversation, long press on that conversation and then tap delete. And there you go. Now the other thing that you want to do is, let's say you sent an error message and you want to delete that message that you sent. So just long press on the message and then tap unsend message. And there you go. You can also do this to other messages that you've sent in the past. So let's try this one. There you go. So that's how you delete Instagram messages. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Have a good day.